Apple has launched the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max at a special launch event at the Steve Jobs Theatre at Cupertino. We got a chance to check out the latest iPhones right after the event, and here's your first look at some of the most anticipated smartphones of the year. Before watching this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified when we publish new videos. First, let's take a look at the iPhone 11, which is the successor to the iPhone XR, and the design is similar barring the cameras at the back, but we'll get to that in a bit. The iPhone 11 has a 6.1-inch liquid Retina display, which is an LCD panel, and the phone is IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. The iPhone 11 has a dual rear camera setup with a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera and another 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with up to 120 degrees field of view. You also get a night mode on the iPhone 11, which dramatically improves low-light shots according to Apple. This phone also supports 4K video recording up to 60 FPS. The iPhone 11 has a 12-megapixel front camera for better selfies, and it can record slow-motion videos as well. Apple says the iPhone 11's battery lasts up to 1 hour more than the iPhone XR, which is great news. This has been achieved thanks to improved efficiency on the Apple A13 Bionic chip, which has been used on all three new iPhones. The iPhone 11 weighs 194 grams. The iPhone 11 is the most affordable among the three new phones, and its India price starts at 64,900 rupees for 64GB of storage, and there are two more variants, 128GB and 256GB. The phone is available in 6 colors: black, green, yellow, purple, white, and product red. iPhone 11 will be available in India starting September 27th. Now let's look at the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone 11 Pro has a 5.8-inch display, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max has a 6.5-inch screen. Apple is calling the displays Super Retina XDR. Both support HDR10, Dolby Atmos, and Dolby Vision technologies, and are IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. These phones are also powered by Apple's A13 Bionic chip, which Apple claims has the fastest CPU and GPU performance among smartphone chips in the world right now. Both phones have a triple rear camera setup with a 12-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera. Both these phones support night mode and a new feature called Quick Take along with subject tracking for videos. At the front, both phones have a 12-megapixel camera for selfies, which can also record slow-motion videos. According to Apple, the iPhone 11 Pro's battery lasts for up to 4 hours longer than the iPhone XS, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max's battery lasts for up to 5 hours longer than the iPhone XS Max. The iPhone 11 Pro weighs 188 grams, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max weighs 226 grams. There are three variants of both phones: 64GB, 256GB, and 512GB. iPhone 11 Pro price in India starts at 99,900 rupees, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max price in India starts at 1,09,900 rupees. As for color options, these two phones are available in gold, space grey, silver, and midnight green. Both these phones will also be available in India starting September 27th. So that's it for this video. What are your thoughts about the new iPhones? Let us know via the comments. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.